Today I will be explaining my PixelPad project. What is it? It's a game of lompat karung, just tweaked a little. Today I will be explaining why I did it and how did I do it. Without further ado, let's begin. So why did I make my project? You might ask. Well, I made my project based off lompat karung. And if you don't know, lompat karung is a very traditional Indonesian independence game that is related to why I want to make this project. It is because I want to spread the information of Indonesian independence to others so that they know Indonesia got its independence. Hello everyone. So this is how I do and make the project. So as you can see here, the game sets the room set to introduction. This is where we see the introduction screen. And the loop, it's the condition. If you press the space bar, it will go to balap karung. And here in balap karung, it sets the new objects like the competitors and the players. And in the loop, this is to change the stamina sprite so everyone could know how much stamina they have left. Here in the players section, um, there's actually a lot of variables, but I'm gonna cover the basics. So the self-dot stamina is 4. So here in the loops it says if self-dot stamina not equals to 0, and if you pressed the space bar, it will lunge forward and the self-dot stamina minus equals 1. Also, I added a gravity effect. So if the self.y is higher or equal to minus 100, the self.y minus equals to 9. So here's what it's like to play. As you can see, if we jump, we actually fall down because of the gravity effect. Same as for the competitors. They also have a gravity effect like this, but the different Y to make it look a little more realistic. As you can see, there's a lot of code. And if the self.x is higher or equal to 550, which is the finish line right here, it will teleport us to the you didn't win section. Now I'm going to show what this is in just a second. Alright, I'm going to speed this up, and yes. Alright, so this is the you lose section, you didn't win section. It says you lose. Would you like to restart? If yes, press the spacebar. If no, press the L button. This is what will happen if you press the spacebar. It returns back to balap karung. So yes, this is what will happen in if we press L. Now I'm going to speed this up again. Alright, so this is what will happen if we press the L button. Right, yeah, there we go. It teleports us to a screen saying you lose. But what about we win? So this will happen if we win. Hold on, I'll speed this up again. Alright, so this is what will happen if we finish first. It teleports us to a screen saying you won. At this point, the game just ends. So yeah, that is the basics of the game. Thank you for listening.